All right, onto our CMS feature of the week and Content Assistant. And it's out of public beta now, and you'll probably see if you haven't logged into HubSpot, there'll be pop-ups appearing when you log in. So well worth utilizing it and making sure. And so in the settings under tools, it's actually available there. So you can turn it on. And so this applies to blog, landing pages, website pages, emails, social conversations, even in the HubSpot mobile app for iOS, surprisingly, which I didn't realize, Craig, CTAs and the Sales Chrome extension. And I think the Sales Chrome extension in Gmail, that was one of the ones I didn't realize had Content Assistant. And I've actually now had to play with it and had to use it a few times. But what we do want to highlight here is be aware that there are privacy considerations in here, and it does get you to tick something where it says, please avoid sharing any sensitive information in your prompts, because to improve the product, HubSpot logs and stores the prompts, the generated language, and usage metrics when you use the AI assistant. So HubSpot shares your prompts with OpenAI and able to enable it to use the tool and OpenAI features and store the prompts for your content moderation purposes. So there you go. I'm sure this is... I think what we want to do is make you aware, because people might not be aware that this is happening and what's working on behind the scenes.
I think that's right. I think this is becoming table stakes in a lot of tools. Surprised it took so long for HubSpot to make it into public beta. It's been in private beta for a long time. I think, and funnily enough, it's gone into public beta just in time for all the pushback that's starting to happen in AI that we chatted about at the start of the show. They've very clearly said, don't share sensitive information. And I think this is the problem. If you turn it on, it's for your portal wide. So if you're in a company that's got sensitive information and you're potentially using Content Assistant to help you with stuff, just be mindful of that. You don't want to be pasting in, here's some landing page that's going into, it's under embargo until a launch later in the year. Maybe it's got sensitive financial details or market sensitive stuff. So you've got to be careful about that, because that's popping back into OpenAI's repository. So a lot to be thinking about this. This is going to become an interesting area over the coming months. And there'll be pushback and then people embracing it. And so, make the decision that's right for your business.